29 forecast.
Here's a little weather science for you this morning. Hello, I'm Storm Team 29 meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. Have you ever seen this type of ice formation? It's called an ice spike. And Sanford Fellman got this snapshot, wondering how in the world did this form in this puddle of water that froze? Well, if a crust of ice with a small hole in it forms over liquid water, it can trap the liquid below, leaving it no room to expand. So if the water begins to solidify, it is forced through the hole and begins to freeze along its edge, forming a hollow water-filled tube. Now it will grow until all the water turns to ice. Very interesting there. Sometimes you can see this in your freezer if you have frozen ice cubes in an ice cube tray. Sometimes you'll see some spikes of ice like that. An unusual formation, but keep those photos coming through the Storm Team 29 weather app. So we are seeing mainly cloudy skies this morning. Not expecting ice, but some chilly rain showers are in the forecast. Maybe a break of sun to start. Sunrise coming up at 7:21. Otherwise, cloudy skies, some rain showers from late morning, midday, into the early afternoon. Noticeably cooler today. We hit near 60 yesterday. Today it's more like the seasonable 40s on both sides of the Blue Ridge, and we'll see these showers begin to exit on towards sunset. Temperatures are near freezing in Harrisonburg to Stanton, but 40 at Charlottesville and 33 currently at Orange. NBC 29's live Doppler radar shows some precipitation up in the clouds, but the atmosphere here at ground level is too dry for that to reach the ground just yet. But it is reaching the ground back to the west, watching bands of showers across the Ohio River Valley into the bluegrass of Kentucky, the volunteer state of Tennessee. All of this is pointed in our direction, but it's going to weaken as it crosses over the mountains across the central Appalachians. So the heaviest, steadiest rainfall will bypass us off to the south and southeast before we begin to dry out tonight and into most of tomorrow. So let's track it now. Our rapid refresh high-res weather tracker shows the clouds filling in this morning, midday, early afternoon. So late morning, midday, early afternoon, there's 1 p.m. That's the area most favored, the time frame most favored to see a little bit of light rainfall. It will exit on towards sunset and overnight with steady temperatures staying above freezing. And then tomorrow morning, it's mostly cloudy, then a break of sunshine in the afternoon with a southwest wind. We're going to spike to spring-like levels for a few hours before another chance of rain arrives on Tuesday. So Tuesday, a few light showers and colder, mainly dry Wednesday. And then watching the system come up from the southwest on Thursday could give us a brief wintry mix over to a cold rain, followed by a cold and dry first weekend of February. Not expecting a lot of rainfall, mostly under a ½ inch from today, Tuesday and Thursday. Looking at the snow projections, I am not excited about this. Don't get too excited for this because there could be little to no accumulation on Thursday before it goes over to some rainfall. So keep checking back for updates on that though. Your forecast for today, gloomy skies, showers developing, highs in the chilly 40s overnight, mostly cloudy, mainly dry, upper 30s and low 40s. For your Monday, a southwesterly wind will boost temperatures to the mid-50s, if not the lower 60s, under a partly sunny sky. Enjoy it because that's it. It will trend colder as we wind down January and start February. A few showers on Tuesday, gloomy and mainly dry Wednesday in the 40s, a wintry mix to a cold rain on Thursday in the 40s, and then turning colder for Friday and the weekend. The first weekend of February looks to be more like winter, but dry around here.
Well, I can't help but notice that outlier. That 60-degree day is going to have me excited.
I'm looking at 18 degrees on Saturday morning. So when we come in here Saturday morning, we'll be bundled up.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Well, listen to this. The Virginia